Hey everyone, welcome back to Bod's Spa. Did you know that your immune system is your body's personal army, protecting you from harmful invaders like bacteria, viruses, and toxins? And at the heart of that army are white blood cells, your body's frontline defense. But what if I told you there are foods that can help boost these vital cells naturally? In today's video, we're talking about 8 powerful foods that help increase your white blood cells and keep your immune system strong. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll share a bonus tip that takes your immune health to the next level. First, let's talk about why white blood cells are so important. These tiny warriors are part of your immune system, and they come in different types: neutrophils, lymphocytes, monocytes, eosinophils, and basophils. Each plays a specific role, like attacking infections, killing viruses, and even cleaning up damaged tissue. But to keep them working efficiently, you need the right nutrients, and that's where your diet comes in. Citrus fruits. First up, citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are rich in vitamin C, which helps increase the production of white blood cells. Vitamin C also enhances their ability to fight infections. Squeeze fresh lemon into warm water every morning or enjoy a refreshing orange as a snack to get your daily dose of immune-boosting vitamin C. Garlic. Next, we have garlic, your immune system's secret weapon. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that boosts white blood cell production and enhances their ability to fight viruses and bacteria. Add garlic to soups, stir-fries, or roasted vegetables to enjoy its benefits while adding a burst of flavor to your meals. Spinach. Spinach isn't just for Popeye, it's loaded with vitamin C, antioxidants, and beta-carotene, which all boost white blood cell activity. It also provides folate, a nutrient essential for producing new cells. Throw a handful of spinach into your morning smoothie, or sauté it with garlic for a simple, nutrient-packed side dish. Red bell peppers. Did you know that red bell peppers contain twice as much vitamin C as oranges? They're also packed with antioxidants that protect white blood cells from damage. Slice them up for snacking, add them to salads, or roast them for a sweet, smoky flavor. Yogurt. Yogurt with live and active cultures, like probiotics, helps maintain a healthy gut. Since 70% of your immune system is located in your gut, keeping it balanced is crucial for optimal white blood cell function. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt and top it with fresh fruits or a drizzle of honey for a delicious immune-boosting breakfast. Almonds. Almonds are a great source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that supports white blood cell function. Just a small handful a day can give your immune system a healthy boost. Keep almonds handy for a quick snack or chop them up to sprinkle over salads or yogurt. Ginger. Ginger isn't just for nausea, it's also great for your immune system. It helps reduce inflammation, supports healthy blood flow, and enhances white blood cell activity. Add fresh ginger to teas, soups, or smoothies for a spicy kick and a boost to your immune health. Turmeric. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory that supports white blood cell function. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine to boost immunity. Try golden milk. Mix turmeric with warm milk, a dash of black pepper, and honey for a soothing, immune-boosting drink. Here's your bonus tip: stay hydrated and manage your stress. Drinking enough water helps your body transport nutrients to your immune system, and managing stress reduces cortisol, which can weaken white blood cell activity. Practice deep breathing, stay active, and don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep to support your overall health. Incorporating these foods into your diet can work wonders for your immune system and help keep your white blood cells in top shape. So, which of these foods are you excited to add to your meals? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who could use a little immune boost, and subscribe to Bod's Spa for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching.